Hey guys, Editing Jack here. I know I'm using my headphone mic for some reason. I don't know. I just wanted to explain some stuff. Sorry for not uploading in like 3 weeks. I know, real bummer, but I recently started a job, so I've kind of been, working on that and some other stuff as well. But yeah, that's basically all I wanted to say, and enjoy the video. Bye bye. Okay, so it is currently, what time is it? It's 1:33. It is 86 degrees out, and we're just walking over to this railroad. What? Whoa, road station. It's not far from where I live, so thought it would be just a great idea to come check it out and do a video there. The tenants can hear me. Part of this place is still operational, so might be fucked, guys. Most of this place is abandoned, like this area right here. Now, I don't know what happened, but there was a train, an abandoned train right here. That was I don't know which way I should go first, but all I know is I'm gonna stay in train tracks. One of the main, things for urban exploration is you wanna be careful, because if part of the place you're at is still in operation, you wanna be quiet. Very quiet. Whoa. What's down here? Whoa. Look at that. Just forest. That's all it is, just forest. It is hot out, dude. I don't even think it's the heat. I think it's the humidity. What is this? I heard something. If I hear anything, I'm going into these woods. It's just absolutely beautiful. I was down there. I was all the way down there. Or over there. That was a trail. Where's this lead to? So this whole area is just a trail. It's down there. I don't know where it goes, but I don't want to check it out right now. Actually, you know what? Check it out. Oh, just a little. Stupid rock. Oh god. Why's it flipped? It's weird. Okay. It's not hiding there yet. It is. Look at that. Yeah, don't want to be up here. Oh, God. I'm going really fast. Okay. Oh, that was really loud. Shit. Oh, I know where I'm hiding if I see something. Definitely. Yeah, this whole area is just abandoned. I mean, over there, not so much, because, you know, there's things that go past every now and again. But here, just nothing. Is there... The fuck? You see that? It's like a animal skull. I don't want to touch that. It looks waxed. So was there animal skull? I think it's a raccoon. I don't know. I'm just gonna leave it there. Just gonna keep going. See? Look at that. Look at the branches. If a train came by here, I think it might derail. I think it would derail, actually. This really does feel like Subway Surfers, in a way. Just looking at this place gives me like a huge, like, The Walking Dead feeling, you know? Like, this looks like something you'd see. I might go back soon. I can barely even see where I entered. It was like so loud, cars just going by everywhere. And now, is this. Just me talking to a camera. Tell you one thing, probably should have worn shorts today. That would have been nice. Not a smart idea on my own. Whoa, wait a minute. Look at that. That's just lake. What is it? I don't know if it's like lake or concrete. Oh no, it's like, okay. A little bit up more, and then I will head back, and I'll go the other way. FPS Lost Boys on my dick right now, guys. What? I don't know what this is. That's fucking hurt something. Oh god. Okay. I think right about now would be a good time to turn back. I think I saw something as well. I don't know, it was like a black figure or something. Yep. Shit, that was loud. That was really fucking loud. You guys like this video? Yeah. Treat well, treat right, subscribe maybe. I see a plane. See that? That's really close to the ground, Jesus. Alright, but anyways, again, if you like this video, subscribe, press notifications, like the video, I guess. Do whatever it is you guys do to treat the video right. And well, I'm gonna get the fuck out of here. So yeah. This is Jack, signing off. Bye bye.